Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to F6 online support program, subject mathematics, class 8, week 12, prepared by Amna Ghaffar. Textbook Karwan Book Mathematics, Unit 2, Real and Complex Numbers, topic Laws of Exponents, exercise number 2.4, resources required, laptop, internet, textbook and notebook. Previous knowledge. What is exponent? The exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. For example, 2 to the 4th power means 2 multiplied by itself 4 times. How to represent exponential notation? Exponential notation is represented by a power n, read as a to the nth power. We call a as the base and n as the exponent. For example, x to the 5th power, and we can also read as x power 5. Here x as the base and 5 as the power or exponent. Note: exponents are also called power or indices. In this exercise, we will discuss about laws of exponents or rules of exponents, product rule with the same base. In multiplication, if the bases are same, then the powers are added. A power m dot a power n equal to a power m plus n. For example, 3 power 2 dot 2 power 2 equal to 2 power 3 plus 2. If the bases are same in multiplication, so consider the base one time and add their power. So 2 power 5 means multiply 2 by itself 5 times. So 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16 and 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Quotient rule with the same base. In division, if the bases are same, then the powers are subtracted. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. For example, 3 power 4 divided by 3 power 2 is equal to 3 power 4 minus 2. In division, if the bases are same, so consider base one time and subtract their power. So 3 power 2 mean multiplied 3 by itself 2 times. So 3 into 3 equal to 9. Product rule with the same coefficient. AB whole power n equal to a power n dot b power n. For example, 2 dot 3 whole power 2 means apply the power 2 on the base 2 and 3. So 2 power 2 dot 2 power 3 means multiply 2 by itself 2 times and multiply 3 by itself 2 times. So 2 into 2 equal to 4 and 3 into 3 equal to 9. So 4 into 9 equal to 36. Quotient rule with the same coefficient. A divided by b whole power n equal to a power n divided by b power n. For example, 3 divided by 2 whole power 2. So apply the power 2 on the base 3 and the base 2. So 3 power 2 divided by 2 power 2. 3 power 2 mean multiply 3 by itself 2 times and 2 power 2 mean multiply 2 by itself 2 times. 3 into 3 equal to 9 and 2 into 2 equal to 4. Power rules. Rule number 1. A power m whole power n equal to a power m multiply n. In first rule, we multiply power with power. For example, 2 power 3 whole power n equal to 2 power 3 multiply 2, which is equal to 2 power 6. Rule number 2. A power m power n equal to a power m, m power n. So in rule number 2, first we consider m as a base and n as exponent. Then first we simplify it, then it's become the power of a. For example, 4 power 3 and 3 power 2 equal to 4 power 3 power 2. So 3 is the base and 2 is the power, so it's mean multiply 3 by itself 2 times. So we get 4 power 3 multiply 3, which is equal to 4 power 9. Negative exponent rule. If the power is negative, we need to change it into positive. We shift the term into denominator, then the power become positive. Or if the power is positive, we need to change it into negative power. We shift the term into denominator, then the power become negative. For example, x power minus 2. We need to change minus 2 power as we need to change minus 2 power into positive power. So we shift the whole term in the denominator, which is equal to 1 over 2 power 2, and 2 power 2 means multiply 2 times. So 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 over 4. Zero exponent rule. Any base with power 0 is always equal to 1. A power 0 equal to 1, or you can also read as a power not equal to 1. For example, 3 power 0 equal to 1, and 9 power 0 equal to 1, and 4 power 0 equal to 1. Applications of laws of exponents. Example number 1 on page number 45. Use rules of exponent to simplify each expression and write the answer in terms of positive exponent. So here are the two parts of this example. Part number 1 solution. X power minus 2 into x power minus 3 into y power 7 divide by x power minus 3 into y power 4. In nominator the bases are same, so add their power. So we get x power minus 2 minus 3 into y power 7 divide by x power minus 3 into y power 4. So we get x power minus 5 into y power 7 divide by x power minus 3 into y power 4. Again in division the bases are same, subtract their powers. So we get x power minus 5 minus bracket minus 3 into y power 7 minus 4. So we get x power minus 5 plus 3 and into y power 3, x power minus 2 into y power 3. Here the power is negative, so shift into denominator. So we get y power 3 divided by x power 2. Part 2 solution. 4 into a power 3 into b power 0 divide by 9 into a power minus 5 whole power minus 2. Apply whole power minus 2 on each term and multiply with their bases with their powers. So we get 4 power minus 2 into a power minus 6 into b power 0 divide by 9 power minus 2 into a power 10. So the power is negative, we need to change into positive. So positive power by shifting it into nominator or in denominator. So we get 9 power 2 dot 1 divided by 4 power 2 into a power 6 into a power 10. Now we all know that 9 power 2 means that multiply 9 by itself 2 times. So we get 81 divided by and 4 power 2 means multiply 2 by itself 2 times, so it's give us 16. So 81 divided by 16 into the bases are same, so add the power. A power 6 plus 10, which is equal to 81 divided by 16 into a power 16. Exercise number 2.4 on page number 46. Question number 1. Use laws of exponents to simplify. Part 1. Solution. 243 whole power minus 2 by 3 into 32 whole power minus 1 by 5 divided by under root 196 whole power minus 1. In numerator or in denominator, the powers are in negative form, so convert into positive power. So we shift these power into numerator or in denominator, so we get under root 196 divided by 243 whole power 2 by 3 into 32 whole power 1 by 2. Now take the LCM of 196, 243 and 32. So we get this under root 14 multiply 14 divide by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 whole power 2 by 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 whole power 1 by 5. For more simplification, we write it in the index form. So we get under root 14 square divided by 3 power 3 multiply 3 power 2 whole power 2 by 3 into 2 power 5 whole power 1 by 5. 14 divided by 3 power 3 multiply 2 by 3 into 3 power 2 multiply 2 by 3 into 2 power 5 multiply 1 by 5. So multiply these powers, so we get 14 divided by 3 power 2 into 3 power 4 by 3 into 2. Now cancel 14 and 2, so we get 7 divided by 3 power 2 dot 3 power 4 by 3. For more simplification, we decompose the power, so we get 7 divided by 3 power 2 into 3 power 3 plus 1 divided by 3. So 7 divided by 3 power 2, split up the powers, so we get 3 power 3 divided by 3 into 3 power 1 by 3. Now 7 divided by 3 power 2 into 3, write 3 power 1 by 3 in the radical form, so we get 3 cube 3. 7 divided by, write base 1 time and add their powers, so 3 power 2 plus 1 into cube root 3. 7 divided by 3 power 3 into cube root 3. 7 divided by 3 power 3 is equal to 27 into cube root 3. Part 2. Solution. 2x power 5 y power minus 4 multiply minus 8 x power minus 3 y power square. Multiply the like terms. 2 multiply minus 8, 5 x power 5 into x power minus 3 y power minus 4 into y power 2. So minus 16, the bases are same, consider the base 1 time and add their power, so x power 5 plus minus 2 into y power minus 4 plus 2, we get 16 minus 16 x power 2 y power minus 2. The power is negative, shift it in the denominator, so we get minus 16 x power 2 divided by y power 2. Part 3. Solution. X power minus 2 y power minus 1 z power minus 4 divided by x power 4 y power minus 3 z power 0 whole power minus 3. In division, if the bases are same, so subtract their power. Consider the base 1 time, x power minus 2 minus 4, y power minus 1 minus bracket minus 3 and z power minus 4 whole power minus 3. So we get x power minus 6, y power 2, z power minus 4 and whole power minus 3. Apply the whole power minus 3 on each base and multiply it with their power. So we get x power minus 6 multiply minus 3, y power minus 2 multiply minus 3, z power minus 4 multiply minus 3. We get x power 18, y power minus 6 and z power 4. Y power minus 6 is in negative form, so we want to change into positive exponent, so shift it in the denominator. So we get x power 18 z power 12 divided by y power 6. Part number 4. Solution. 81 whole power n into 3 power 5 minus 3 power 4 n minus 1 into 243 divided by 9 power 2 n into 3 power 3. Take LCM of 81, so the index notation is 3 power 4 whole power n into 3 power 5 minus 3 power 4 n minus 1, and take the LCM of 243. The index notation is 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 2 whole power 2n into 3 power 3. In nominator the bases are same, consider the base one time and add the powers. So we get 3 power 4n plus 5 minus 3 power 4n minus 1 plus 5 divided by 3 power 4n into 3 power 3. Here we get 3 power 4n plus 5 minus 3 power 4n plus 4 divided by, in denominator again the bases are same, add their power. So we get 3 power 4n plus 3. So separate the denominator. So we get 3 power 4n plus 5 divided by 3 power 4n plus 3 minus 3 power 4n plus 4 divided by 3 power 4n plus 3. In division, if the bases are same, consider the base one time and subtract their power. So 3 power 4n plus 5 minus 4n plus 3 minus 3 power 4n plus 4 minus 4n plus 3. 3 power 4n plus 5 minus 4n minus 3 minus 3 power 4n plus 4 minus 4n minus 3. So 4n minus 4n will be cancelled. So we get 3 power 4n minus 3 minus 3 power 4 minus 3. So 3 power 2 minus 3. 3 power 2 is equal to 9. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Question number 2. X power a divided by x power b whole power a plus b multiply x power b divided by x power c whole power b plus c multiply x power c divided by x power a whole power c plus a equal to 1. In this question, we will prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. For this, we will take the left hand side. In left hand side, you can see that in division the bases are same. Consider the base one time and subtract their power. So x power a minus b whole power a plus b multiply x power b minus c whole power b plus c multiply x power c minus a whole power c plus a. Now multiply power with power, so we get x power a minus b into a plus b multiply x power b minus c into b plus c multiply x power c minus a into c plus a. So here we use the formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So x power a square minus b square multiply x power b square minus c square multiply c square minus b square. So you can easily see that in multiplication, if the bases are same, so we add their power. So we add the power, consider the base one time x, and add the powers, x power a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Cancel all powers, so we will get x power 0, which is equal to 1. Question number 3, simplify. First part, solution. 2 power 1 by 3 multiply 27 whole power 1 by 3 multiply 60 whole power 1 by 2 divide by 180 whole power 1 by 2 multiply 4 power minus 1 by 3 multiply 9 whole power 1 by 4. In second step, we will take the LCM of these bases. So we get 2 power 1 by 3 multiply 3 power 3 whole power 1 by 3 multiply 2 power 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 whole power 1 by 2 divide by 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 5 whole power 1 by 2 multiply 2 power 2 whole power minus 1 by 3 multiply 3 power 2 whole power 1 by 4. In next step, we multiply power with power. We have 2 power 1 by 3 multiply 3 multiply 2 multiply 3 power 1 by 2 multiply 5 power 1 by 2 divide by 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 power 1 by 2 multiply 2 power minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 power 1 by 2. In multiplication, if the bases are same, we add their powers. So we get 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 multiply 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2 multiply 5 power 1 by 2 divide by 2 power 1 minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2 multiply 5 power 1 by 2. So again, in division, if the bases are same, we subtract their power. So we get 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus bracket 1 minus 2 by 3 multiply 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2 minus bracket 1 plus 1 by 2 multiply 5 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now solve these powers. So we get 2 power 1 by 3 plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 by 3 multiply 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 multiply 5 power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Now solve this power. So we get 2 power 3 by 3 multiply 3 power 0 multiply 5 power 0. In now 3 will be cancelled. So 2 multiply 3 power 0 equal to 1 and 5 power 0 is also equal to 1. So 2 multiply 1 we get the answer 2. Part 2, solution. Under root 216 whole power 2 by 3 multiply 25 whole power 1 by 2 divide by 0.04 whole power minus 1 by 2. So 216 is a perfect cube of 6 and 25 is a perfect square of 5. So under root 6 power 3 whole power 2 by 3 multiply 5 power 2 whole power 1 by 2 divide by, in denominator remove the decimal point and convert into fraction. So we get 4 divided by 100 whole power minus 1 by 2. In next step, multiply power with power. So we get under root 6 power 3 multiply 2 by 3 multiply 5 power 2 multiply 1 by 2 divide by, in denominator convert the negative power into positive power. So we take the reciprocal of this fraction, that is 100 divided by 4 whole power 1 by we get under root 6 power 2 multiply 5 divide by 100 is a perfect square of 10 and 4 is a perfect square of 2. So we get 10 power 2 divided by 2 power 2 whole power 1 by 2. In next step, take in denominator take 2 power common and multiply power with power. So we get under root 6 power 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 10 divided by 2. From 10 divided by 2 we get 5. So under root 6 power 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. 5 divided by cancel 5 by 5. So we get under root 6 power 2 square and under root will be cancelled. So our answer is 6. Part 3 Solution. 5 power 2 2 power 3 divide 5 power 2 whole power 3. In first term, here we consider 2 as a base and 3 as a power. Its mean multiply 2 by itself 3 times. So 5 power 2 into 2 into 2 divide in second term multiply power with power. So we get 5 power 2 multiply 3 which is equal to 5 power 8 divided by 5 power 6. We can also write as 5 power 8 divided by 5 power 6. In division the bases are same, so subtract the powers. So 5 power 8 minus 6 which is equal to 5 power 2. 5 power 2 mean multiply 5 by itself 2 times which is equal to 25. Written work exercise number 2.4. Review exercise number 2. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. Do these all questions in your notebook. Thank you class.